Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Audible? Welcome once again, and this time not for the project launch, but for the project announcement. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of everyone in Team Akshaya to welcome Roshni Bakshi, Managing Director of Disney India, our Chairman, Mr. Chitti Babu, and on behalf of all three of us, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to Universe. Universe is a first of its kind mix-up township. All of us have been meeting quite often. We've been talking about Akshaya's innovation, Akshaya's ways of pioneering, Akshaya's way of researching and finding out consumers' aspirations and then coming up with a product. What's new about Universe? As I said, Akshaya has always been a pioneer in innovative and contemporary way of coming up with projects in this industry. We've been known for coming up with new strategies, coming up with new designs. As part of first of its kind in Tamil Nadu, we have tied up with Disney and we're bringing in Disney-inspired themed homes. This is going to be first of its kind in Tamil Nadu. I'm again repeating. There are going to be a lot of offerings to the aspirational income group, and it's also going to be bringing in a lot of children-friendly homes. Obviously, when we bring in something new to the market, it is out of an extensive market research, identifying what the consumers want, what would draw their attention, what would be an attraction, and that's what we've done. In many of the press conferences earlier, you would have heard from us that we are promising to innovate with every single project, and the dedication to be coming up with something new in every single project continues. The location of this project, it's going to be in Sembakam, which is about 4 kilometers from the Tiruporur main road of OMR. This is coming up on the main road, which is going to be connecting OMR to Chengalpet. To give you a quick overview of the project, the overall extent of the first phase is going to be 47 acres, 38.27 plus a few more acres where the first phase is going to come up. Overall, there will be about close to 3,372 homes. The whole project is going to come up with 60 blocks, and the blocks are going to be still plus 4 floors. Obviously, to cater to various consumers and make it the first of its kind home for all the aspirational home buyers, we're coming up with sizes which will be pocket friendly. So we're going to come up with 2 BHK with study, 3 BHK as well as 3 BHK with study. When we call it a mix-up township, obviously it's not just homes, but it's going to be everything that one would want in a township. So we're going to have commercial spaces, we're going to have offices, we're going to have various other outlets coming up. We have retail spaces, so that with a population of close to 20,000 plus in a 3,372 home township, a lot of retail requirements would be there. So we're going to bring in a lot of brands which would cater to this kind of a segment. We're going to come up with a lot of First is going to be an Akshaya educational institution which is going to have a school in-house within the premises. It is having senior citizen homes. We can elaborate more as we progress as to why we are bringing in all these verticals into this township. Senior citizen homes is something which has got a huge demand because a lot of NRIs are looking at aged parents moving into townships more from security aspect as well as being part of like-minded people in and around the township. We're coming up with Akshaya Healthcare. We're going to have a hospital in-house. It's going to have a recreation center which will have all the gaming and all the recreational activities. The overall project is going to be a little more than 100 acres, but what we're using for the first phase is close to 40 plus acres. So what we're also doing is, as part of our ongoing program of addressing the requirements of skilled and unskilled laborers. We are also coming up with an Akshaya Training Academy, which is going to be inside the project. The vision of the project would be to cater to all the aspirational income groups of home buyers. As we already covered, it's going to give us opportunity for all the new verticals that Akshaya is planning to foray into. There's a lot of potential, and all these verticals that we spoke about, being the school or healthcare, is going to give us an opportunity to give job opportunities to hundreds and thousands of people. It's going to give us an opportunity for a lot of material manufacturing in-house. We're going to have a labor camp with a lot of state-of-art living comfort. It's going to be having a lot of facilities, not just to extract work, but also to give them a higher lifestyle for the skilled and unskilled laborers who are going to be part of the Akshaya Training Academy. Akshaya as an organization has been having various capabilities which all of you are aware of. I don't want to keep repeating, but an in-house execution of 1 million through this project is testing and going to give us an opportunity to prove ourselves, and we are confident of taking our in-house capability to 4 million square feet. And why do we require branded homes? All of us who've been here know that every single project has been unique in some very unique fashion. It has been vertical, it has been micro township, it has been a mini city, many firsts from Akshaya. Now, having exhausted many opportunities, having brought in many opportunities, we wanted to bring in something different from what we've already delivered. We didn't want to repeat what our own success has been. So in that connection, we've come up with a Disney-inspired themed home complex. Owning a home is a dream of every single individual. I'm sure none of us would dispute that. Bringing branded economical homes is something which will be making the common man realize the biggest dream of his. Bringing a themed home at the luxury or signature segment would have made the project even more successful. But our intention is to cater to the common man, for whom bringing a themed home is more than a wow factor. It is more than a dream, more than his lifetime dream coming true. Huge demand for branded homes. I already covered about the market research that we have done. South Indian home buyers are always looking for something for the children, more than the comfort of the elderly or the aged people. They're looking at more for the children, and this way we are also again catering to the children. We are bringing in Disney characters. More will be briefed by Ms. Roshni when she comes to talk about Disney and other characters. We are not going to just do Disney decor inside the house, but it's going to be the entire locality would be transformed. It's not just the project. So the whole locality will be transformed in such a way that you're going to have the whole set of interiors, exteriors, including the swimming pool, lobby, clubhouse, play area, gym. Every single part of the project will come up with a themed concept. So this is definitely going to give buyers an opportunity to choose the famous or the loved Disney story, and it's also going to give them an opportunity to bring in whichever the character the child loves the most, to bring in those characters into the child's rooms. So with that, I would request Ms. Roshni Bakshi, the Managing Director of Disney India, to come up and talk more about Disney and more about the tie-up. Thank you.
Thank you, Srikanth. Thank you very much for coming here today, and good morning to all of you. I am really very thrilled to announce our association with Akshaya. Akshaya is, in fact, as you all know, I think one of India's most awarded developers. And for us, I think it gives us great happiness to see one more association that we have, and the first, in fact, in Tamil Nadu, with someone who we can turn back and say, is will work with our brand in the right spirit. I think Srikanth has covered a lot about what is going to be done in the entire Disney-inspired homes as well as in the entire project. but I just wanted to give you a little bit more update. I think when we talk about Disney-inspired homes, and he rightly said, this is for families with young children, where they can actually come in and provide an experience which is truly magical for their children. We all know Disney in terms of the beloved characters and stories that Disney has, starting off with Mickey, with the princesses, whether it is Cinderella or Snow White, whether it's Ariel, which is Little Mermaid. A lot of us have grown up on these stories. Whether it's Winnie the Pooh, which is that beloved little teddy bear, to Cars, to today there is Spider-Man, there's Hulk. You have, for the boys, you also have a number of other things, including, all the other characters and stories that we bring every time a movie gets launched. Between Marvel, which is a brand of ours, and which has Spider-Man and Hulk and Iron Man and the others, and Disney, I think we have more than 8,000 to 8,500 characters. So it's just a very rich library that we bring of content, characters and stories that are beloved across the world. Children in India we've been in India now over the last 9 to 10 years, and children in India are as excited about the stories and characters, and Mickey is the most beloved character. Every time we actually go out and you ask any little child, and the first thing he talks about is Mickey. So it's just the characters and the stories that they get to, that they love. And I think for us in this particular project, the exciting piece is that it is going to be for families that see this as being something more than a wow factor, as Srikanth rightly put it, something that they can show their children and kind of give the entire, I think, the story, the magic, and the dream experience to their children. It's almost like when you come home and a child has a full bedroom which is filled with, let's say, it's a little girl and she has a princess bedroom. What more can you provide to your daughter, right? Where she comes in and from her bed to her wallpaper to, the furniture around, to the bedding, everything else is surrounded with princess. Or if it's a boy and you give him Spider-Man or Cars, right? So I think each one of these rooms can be delivered in line with what the family requires. So that is one. But even more, we're also giving a lot of the exteriors. And I think Srikanth already explained what the exteriors will include. But from a Mickey-shaped swimming pool for the children, to a clubhouse which has, all the elements of the characters in it, to a princess wishing well, right? We all know about the wishing wells, or a little what would I call, like a birthday party area where you have your special parties for children that can be done. I think there is no end to imagination. And what we bring to the table is the ability for us to sit together along with Akshay and imagine what would be a truly fairy tale experience for kids and families who are living in this new project. So once again, it gives us, we have had tie-ups in the past already with other large developers across the country, but it gives us special joy here because we are very, very happy with the way I think Akshay has done the previous projects that they have, with what they have been bringing to the table, with the innovation at each time. And to us, there can be no better partner as one who can imagine along with us and bring something which we were just talking about in the morning, saying that we should actually deliver something which is even better than what we can sit together and put on the drawing board. So that is really what we're looking forward to. So once again, thank you for being here. I am very thrilled with this association, and I'm sure that what Akshay will bring to the table should make us all bring a smile to our faces.
To be with Disney on this project, I request our chairman, Mr. Chittibabu, to address the gathering.
Very good morning, dear friends from the media. We are often meeting now. I think week on week after week, I think we are meeting. A lot of good things happening in real estate industry. Industry is doing very well. That's the first message. so you need not talk about the negative stories which is happening around. If you bring innovation in your product, and if you bring something different for the customer to experience, and if you can able to deliver what you have promised and what you have committed again and again, definitely there is a market. In a going good market, in an average market, in a bad market, a real estate developer can able to deliver, who can able to deliver will always sustain and grow. That is what Akshaya strongly believe on ethical business practice. You all know very well. I don't want to repeat every time that, but we need to emphasize on the ethical business factor, because without that we would have not been here today. I need to talk about this 18 years of growth, and every time we invented something new. For example, 10 years before we invented OMR. Today it's a market. Today it's quite a big million developments happening, and all the developers across the country is participating in the development of OMR. We have invented a new market called GST. Quite a number of projects are happening today. And whenever we do a project, it is not just delivering home. We have always looked at the society, how it is going to help the society by bringing such good projects, how to add value. We don't have much control on external premises, but we have a great control on the project premises. And whenever we did a project, we have done something new, something innovated, something different, amenities have been added, but finally delivered a good product on committed time. A good example was we have created 10 years before a new terminology called, what township is that? Micro township, I'm sorry. Micro township. It is not, we couldn't able to, we don't have the capacity of doing 100 acres development at that point of time before 10 years. So what we did is 5 acres, 5 acres, 5 acres of 10 developments. And each 5 acre was catering to different stakeholders. One was economy, one was premium, one was luxury, one is unaffordable, one is retail, one is commercial, and all in a kilometers radius. Each was supporting each other. IT was there, commercial was there, retail was there, but each all separate projects, and we called that as a micro township. When we did the 2,134 units in single project, we called it as a mini city. We never claimed it as a mega city, because it is not a marketing gimmick. So we called that as a mini city, not a mega city. And when we did the tallest tower of Tamil Nadu, we called that as a vertical tower, vertical township, because we are stacking people one above other for 38 floors. So we called it as vertical township. And this time is something new. You would have seen there as mixed up, mixed development. What is this mixed up, mixed development? Probably is new to our industry. Mixed up, mixed development. Did you ever heard about this name in real estate industry? We are bringing that to Chennai. Can you believe? If you would have heard this name before, definitely you can ask me, sir. No, sir, this has been heard sometime before somewhere. No. We bring this concept to India. Mixed up, mixed development means you have everything inside. What we have tried in the past in various projects is going to come up here. It is not only residential, commercial, retail, entertainment, clubhouse, schools, healthcare, senior citizen home. You ask for anything, everything is available inside. Actually speaking, you need not move out of this premises for anything. So mix up development which will cater to all the categories. By doing this, what is actually exciting for Akshaya is, Akshaya is getting new 5 verticals, which is called Akshaya Healthcare. We discussed earlier. We are already putting up one. This is the second one. Akshaya Institutions for schools. We have already put up in Today and Republic up to pre-KG or kindergarten and all those. But here it is from play school to 12th standard. So it is also going to come out in the same brand. Akshaya Healthcare, Akshaya Institutions, Akshaya Senior Citizen Home, Akshaya Commercial Space, Akshaya Retail Space, and most importantly, Akshaya Entertainment Zone. When you have all these verticals coming up in one premises to cater the customer, to have the pleasure and joy of the customer, we thought what we can do something special for this project. You also know that we have finalized a good property in Stirling Road. You people asking when are you going to launch the project. Very ideal to do Disney homes for Stirling Road, where unaffordable price of 25 to 30,000, 35,000 rupees a square foot is going to launch. But by giving that, whether Akshaya is happy, Akshaya may not be happy, because each customer who is going to bring in 18 crore buying product, he can actually visit Disney homes, Disney World in USA or in Hong Kong or in Japan. He can send the family, this family, next generation family also to those places. We thought if we can able to bring Disney homes, Disney inspired homes in our project, in the mixed up development, which is about 50 acres of development, which is going to house in the first and second phase nearly about 3,500 homes, which is not less than about 20,000 families, and which will definitely have not less than about 2,000 to 2,500 children. Is it not appropriate to bring Disney inspired homes to this project than a Stirling Road project? We have decided yes, Universe will deserve Disney homes, because my grandfather knows what is Mickey. My father knows Mickey Mouse. I know Mickey Mouse. My children knows Mickey Mouse. My grandchild will also know Mickey Mouse. So it's a generation known product. For generations it entertained the people. For generations, the past and the present and the future, Disney is the one which is entertaining people. It brings joy in people. It brings a lot of joy and pleasure with, not only with the kids. You will love. Your parents will love. Your grandfather parents will love. So those kind of a joy and pleasure is coming in people's mind across all the age. So we have thought, we have senior citizen home. We have a lot of other facilities like schools. We have a lot of homes. We have a lot of children going to be there, 2,500 children going to be there. It is very appropriate to have a good brand which will entertain and keep the people very happy who is going to accommodate. In that manner, we have brought this particular project. Through this project, Akshaya is going to be creating new 5 verticals. Other than that, we also want to give back to the society, where I am in the industry for 25 years and doing business for last 18 years. We have always seen this industry has grown only because of good people who is really putting their hard work in the project. In the project, skilled, unskilled labor who they work throughout the day and night, 3 shifts, and deliver these homes. We sit back and look at their lifestyle, it's never improved. Their salaries would have gone up, but the lifestyle of those people are still there. So really wanted to make at least a small beginning at this age of Akshaya, to give back to them by saying that we will provide Akshaya Training Academy. By providing this Akshaya Training Academy, what happens? We also wanted to tie up with one of the good institutions in Chennai to develop a curriculum. With those, we will be doing training for skilled and unskilled people. Initially, we will be starting with masonry, bar bending, electrical, plumbing, and painting, and develop their skills from one level to the next level. So if they are being paid today wages as 500 rupees, after 6 months of training, they are eligible to get a certificate which has been affiliated to one of the leading universities. And with those certificates, they may definitely get from salary of 500 to 600. And whenever they go with the certificate, they will be offered a job immediately, because they have been trained under this academy. So we actually wanted to start this in this project, and aptly this is the right project, and it has the name also U in that, YOU, then Universe. So we are saying that without you, the project is not there. Without the customers, the project is not there. Without all the stakeholders, the project is not there. And we thought this would be an appropriate project to introduce all this. And you must be wondering why we are announcing a project. Normally, we launch a project. Every time, only after getting all the approvals in place, we launch a project, correct? Here also, we are not launching a project. We are announcing the project only because it's an aspirational value of the customer. We want to capture, we want to get more feedback from the customers, people who is going to buy this home or who people going to be part of this project. We want to hear from them what is that they want. So that's the only reason we are announcing the project. We are not selling the product. It is not open for sale. We are definitely not opening this for sale. We are announcing this project as that we are signing up with Disney Homes for a Disney inspired property which will help the lifestyle of various people to go to the next level. Now, end of the day, once we complete and deliver this project in 4 years' time, the first 38.27 acres, we definitely wanted to call this project as economy project of that year when we are delivering. Means we have a product multiple variants which is available from 600 to 1000, 400, 1300 square foot. So it is not aiming at get a 2000 square foot customer. You should understand. We are actually looking at a section between 600 to 1300, 1400 square foot. So we actually wanted to give this product and dedicate this product to the society, to the city of Chennai, which has given a great opportunity for Akshay to strengthen up his base and growing from here. With this, I think I covered most of the properties, and you know very well when the projects come from us, it is always green, because we don't do anything other than green for last 4 years. Today we have 11-12 projects ongoing. Out of that, 3 projects are platinum pre-certified, 6 projects are gold pre-certified, 2 projects are silver certified, and 2 projects are green homes. In that category, this project will be also, you all know very well, we don't do anything other than green homes. And all our projects are rated by CRISIL. You know very well what is CRISIL. CRISIL rates the country itself. So those people rate our product and also rated our company. So this product will be also rated by CRISIL. This product will be a green home, and rest assured 10 years maintenance from Akshaya. This is all our strength in terms of property development real estate. We maintain this project for 10 years. So a hassle-free living for a buyer. And you know very well, one important point we do in all these projects is disabled-friendly projects. Where one developer stood up and say that we do only disabled-friendly projects. So as usual, it's a green home, it's a CRISIL-rated home, it's a 10 years maintenance product from Akshaya, and also it's a disabled-friendly home. And of course, we deliver our commitments because you know very well, we are the only one developer in the country to get 4 years in a row, not once by luck, not twice by luck, not thrice by opportunity, 4 times in a row the best legal systems and documentation in real estate industry. And this award is only available with us across India. And also this comes from that brand which has the best award from India, from NDTV of course, last one, and the previous one was from CRISIL. Twice in a row we got the award for most highest transparent, once it's highest transparency and ethical practices in real estate industry. Next one from NDTV was the most transparent developer. So you are rest assured that we will deliver a product. We commit less, but we give more. As Roshi Bakshi said, we will commit less and we deliver more. And we are not looking at a project just interiors, just exteriors. When you say interiors of the home can be Disney inspired, As he said very clearly, maybe the children bedroom, even the kitchen, and if if the parents want, they can also do it. Interior, the entire thing is Disney inspired. But quite a lot of opportunities from the gate, the way the payments are being dealt, the light fixtures of the property, the landscaping of the property, the clubhouse of the property, the commercial space of the property, the school can be completely inspired by Disney, and even the healthcare can be completely inspired by the Disney theme. There's a huge opportunity. Why not senior citizen homes? The senior citizen homes can be a completely different theme of the Disney inspiration. A huge opportunity which is available with this tie-up with Disney. But we are not looking at only developing this campus of 52 acres, the first phase, 48.97 acres of first phase as Disney. In the year of 4 years contract, 4 years understanding, we actually wanted community. It is not the property. We also looking at that particular area which is leading to this particular property from OMR, or the property which leads from there to GSC. We wanted to convert the whole area into a Disney inspired home, street, road, you can call, and maybe the panchayat or even maybe the municipality of that particular location should be, our wish and our dream is that it's not only the customers who is buying this property will be inspired, we also expect week on week, every week there will be people walking out to see this product after we are completing this. So that is the kind of challenge we are putting in front of this property. Once we complete it, probably people today go to Vandalur Zoo to see the animals, and if people go to Crocodile Park to see the crocodile. If they really wanted to get the inspiration of how Disney homes are being built and how Disney complexes are being getting built, they can definitely welcome to this project. Thank you very much for your great support as usual, and we are open for any questions. Project is not launched, project is only announced.